Hey guys! Today we're going to show you how to put together a quick and easy flower bouquet without spending a ton of money. Let's start with this stem of white hydrangeas as the centerpiece and some lavender chrysanthemums for a pop of color. It's best to gather the arrangement in one hand so that you have a free hand to work with. Add a bright yellow Gerbera daisy and orangey yellow rose here. Place some green pom-poms for a touch of freshness. Another great tip is to rotate your bouquet as you add smaller flowers, such as our white snapdragons and lovely pink carnations. Place another stem of lavender chrysanthemums across from it and some green pom-poms too. Continue adding yellow pom-poms, the remaining orange roses and daisies to fill in the gaps. Remember to keep spinning your bouquet so that every angle is covered. Lastly, let's surround them with fresh Asiatic lilies in pink and yellow. Because their blooms are kinda huge, you should place them slightly lower than the rest. Remove any unwanted leaves and snip the stems. Then, use a thin rubber band to secure them together. Place your bouquet in a vase half filled with fresh water and some floral food. You can use these exact techniques for any flower combinations to create your very own personal bouquet. To make your birthday gift extra special this year, include a personal message in a cute little card. Say happy birthday in your own words, draw some hearts, and thank the birthday human for being so awesome. There is something special about receiving a handwritten note. Cupcakes, a ton of gifts, a cute card, and a fresh vase of flowers. Now that's a winning combo. Thank you for watching.